How you doing, folks? Selena and I are making edible slime. We added cornstarch and sweetened condensed milk. And now it's set to stir on low heat in the saucepan until it's thick. Uh-oh. Selena, want to stir a little bit more?
No.
Alright, you don't have to. What? Oh, you just don't want to?
Okay. Bob, when are you ready to burn?
It says to stir
I'm
and...
allergic to smoke.
It's not smoke, it's heat. It says to stir...
allergic to heat. That's why I have this thing on my face.
Stir until it's thick. But how do we know when it's thick? I've never really cooked anything before. I hate things. You want to show the ingredients? Okay, no. Okay, yeah, you can do it. If you want.
Hold on. Flip it upside down. No, you keep on mixing a little.
Here, show the ingredients out. It's on low heat. It's on low heat. You're not gonna get burned or anything. And
It's thickened.
how do you know, baby?
I don't know.
It looks kind of runny still.
It's still thickened.
I think the cornstarch is supposed to help to thicken
It's
it out.
thickened.
It's thickened?
Yeah.
Here, hold it over the
That's what
pan
I'm
and
doing.
that. Okay. Don't get it over the microwave or the oven.
That's what I'm doing. Stop making noise.
I'm gonna throw this downstairs. Yeah, here we go with the cornstarch.
Open.
Yeah, I know it is. How much of it we got left?
Okay, it's not my problem anymore. So it's sticking in it. And I'm ready to put it in the stove. I said I'm ready. Come on.
I still think it's not thick enough.
It is thickened.
Cause look,
You're gonna make
it's
it
runny.
not thickened up.
It's runny though. It's runny. It's not supposed to be runny.
Yeah, it is runny.
This is not an Elmer's recipe. It is an online recipe that we found. The edible slime. Yeah, I guess it's good enough.
Thickened enough. You don't know what thickened means?
There we go. We'll keep stirring it here. Can you stir it while I take it to the table? Walk with me and then keep stirring it.
That smells good.
Doesn't it?
Oh, I wish I could eat it because it smells so good.
You want to put it in this bowl?
Yeah.
And then it says the next thing we add is the food coloring and any flavorings we want. You want like vanilla extract flavoring? So it could taste a little bit like vanilla?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna put red. Wait,
Red?
do you mix it after you put the food color in it?
Yeah, you mix it up and then it's supposed to turn whatever color you want. We got red,
Oh,
blue.
it smells so good.
Show them what the colors we got. We got red, blue, green.
And yellow. And red.
Ooh. Sweet. Oh yeah, this smells pretty good. What are you making? Oh, red?
Yeah.
You want to make like a rainbow?
No.
Like a Lucky Charms rainbow or something? We could put marshmallows in it. You want marshmallows?
It's really turning red.
Do we have any marshmallows?
No.
We don't?
Mom didn't buy it.
If we had any marshmallows, do you think you would want it? Because I can put marshmallows from the Lucky Charms box.
No, don't put me on
You want any vanilla extract?
those. Yeah, I want some. But first I need to put mix in. Because I really want to get that nice red color.
Get that nice red color. Keep stirring it.
And put in some food coloring. Yep, that's enough.
I'm gonna try to find some extract.
I wish I could eat it now. It smells so good.
Where's the vanilla extract? It used to be up here. Oh,
What is that?
imitation vanilla flavor. Well, not baker. What the? Why do we have imitation vanilla?
I have no idea.
What do you think this is? The Mac and Jack Wonder Potion? You want imitation vanilla? I don't know if it's.
I don't know how it tastes.
But I mean, wow. If it's imitation and it says it doesn't bake, what is it going to be used for? Grr.
What's this?
That's it's nothing. It's not vanilla. It's
Oh,
clove or something. I used to make it for making popcorn. Here, did you keep stirring it?
I am.
You there? Here, we'll do the imitation vanilla. You want to do that?
How many drops in?
It's supposed to. I don't know. It just says you can add as much as you want. Really. Ooh, yeah. It looks like Kool-Aid a little bit.
But it doesn't smell like it. It smells better.
Yeah, it'll smell like vanilla in a minute. I guess the imitation vanilla will do, I guess. Let's see how it smells. Does it smell like vanilla ice cream? Oh yeah, it does. It smells just like vanilla. Alright, we'll add that vanilla flavoring.
This one's so good.
Is it thick like slime?
No.
Still kind of oozy.
What do you do now?
You want me to put it back on the heat?
What do you do now?
It's supposed to let it cool off, but it's supposed to be
Okay, let's let it cool off now then.
well, we'll keep stirring it and we'll let it cool off. I think we're supposed to keep stirring it.
Maybe we should Maybe we should add a little more vanilla.
Sure, you can add as much as you want. Has anybody else made some edible slime before, or is this a first? If you've made it before, and you have other tips or recipes for us, or any other flavorings that you would suggest for future slime eatings, for the edible slime, please comment below and like our video. And
Okay, now let's see. Cool, why does that keep happening?
I don't know.
Okay, just let it cool now.
We'll let it cool?
Yeah.
All right. You want to wave to the people?
Yeah, but we're not buying it.
We're not doing bye yet.
Put it in.
You added it?
Yeah.
Good girl, you want to stir it up?
Yeah.
We added a little more cornstarch, and it's going to go back on the heat, because it's not as thick as we think it should be.
I think we should add a lot of cornstarch and then it'll probably get thicker.
I don't know. I think cornstarch is supposed to help thicken it out a little bit, but I don't know. I've never really. Gordon Ramsay, please help us. Or any other chef, really, but Gordon's the TV guy. So if you're a chef and you think that we're doing something wrong here, do you know if cornstarch helps to thicken, sweeten foods out? Right here, we'll put it back on the saucepan. You keep stirring and I'll put it on the heat.
I think we should add a little more.
Here, you want to stir it? Keep stirring. You think we should add a little more cornstarch?
Yeah. I'll go get.
You want to add here? You want to add some more vanilla? Where's the cornstarch?
Don't worry about that. I know where it is.
Oh, I know it. Yeah, it's right here.
I could put it in.
All right.
No, you don't do it. You don't pour it in.
No. We're not going to pour the whole thing in. Just like a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Tablespoon, I think is what we're supposed to. Which I think is like a. Yep, like that. Nickelodeon needs to have some branded edible slime. They've got that new slime that you can buy at Target and places. But all right. You want to add some more coloring? Or do you add more vanilla?
Yeah.
You did.
Try a little more.
You could, I guess. I think we're supposed to have, or I think one thing you could do is try to stir it so you don't see a lot of the cornstarch. All right, that's good. That's good vanilla. I'm gonna have enough vanilla to give to the ice cream man. This is on low heat, isn't it?
So that's a way to make stick.
Oh, well then that's a good way. Then that's good. That means it's thickening it out. If your hands are sticky, then that means the slime's got to be sticky too. called for edible slime purposes, but gotta do what you gotta do, and I'll play you back. You hurt your knee. I wonder what this is gonna taste like. Is this gonna taste any good? You want to be the first to give it a taste test? Because chefs always taste everything that they cook. So, test it out and see. Here, take the spoon. Take the spoon. Here, no, I'll give you your own spoon. Because chefs always have spoons in their pocket. Is it good? Mm-hmm. You got a overabundance of vanilla? You got a vanilla party going on your taste buds, or what?
Tastes like ice cream.
Tastes like ice cream?
Yeah, vanilla ice cream.
Of course it does. I think that's a good sign, because we've got... Oh yeah, look at the cornstarch. Even on the spoon, it makes it sticky, so I think that's what's supposed to happen to the slime.
So we need more cornstarch. Move it.
Well, I think the slime might be getting there.
Slime's not leaky.
Alright guys, we did the edible slime, we let it cool, and this is how it turned out. So if you did any edible slime similar to this, please let us know if we follow the recipe in accordance to how it was written, but please let us know if how yours turned out, and if yours is a similar fashion. It's kind of runny, but I think it's supposed to be like that, given that it's food and the slime we made before wasn't edible, and I think that's why it was so squishy like that, like a squishy ball. So, alright, peace and love, people.